Hi, in this video, we will explore the Mini Waitlist settings. To start, hover over the More Convert in the WordPress menu and select the Waitlist option. On the Open page, I'll select the Counter tab and, by scrolling down, reach the settings related to the Mini Waitlist. From this section, I can adjust the position of the Mini Waitlist. We have two options, Absolute and Fixed. If you choose Fixed, in this section, you can alter the z-index. Now that we're on the fixed position, I've changed the z-index to -1. I save the settings, go to the product page, and refresh it. As you can see, the Mini Waitlist is displayed beneath other sections of the site, and the significance of changing the z-index is evident here. I return to the settings, set the z-index to 100. Save the settings, go to the product page, and refresh it. Now, the Mini Waitlist is shown over other sections. Back to the settings page. I select the absolute position. Save the settings, go to the product page, and refresh it. As you can see, in the absolute position, the Mini Waitlist is displayed as we wanted. Returning to the settings, I can choose the maximum number of products I want to display in the Mini Waitlist. I set this option to the number 2. Save the settings, go to the product page, and refresh it. Now, as I add more than 2 products, you can see that more than 2 products are displayed in the Mini Waitlist. Back to the settings. From here, I can change the position of the Mini Waitlist button. The After Product position is the one we're using now, where the button is displayed after the products. Now, I choose the Before Product position and save the settings. Now, as you can see, the button is displayed before the products. From this section, I can change the style of the Mini Waitlist. In the background color section, I use a gray color. For the border color, I use this color code and set the border radius to 10 pixels. I save the settings, go to the product page, and refresh it. As visible, the style of the Mini Waitlist has changed. Back to the settings. From this section, I can change the colors related to the button. For both normal and hover states of the text, I use white color. For the background, I use this color code. And for the hover background, I use this color code. I set the border and hover border color to gray. Saving the settings, go to the product page. As you can see, the button style has changed. Returning to the settings, from this section, I can adjust the sizes of the button. I set the font size to 16 pixels. Increase the height a bit and set it to 40 pixels. I set the border width to 0 pixels and the border radius to 10 pixels. After saving changes, you can see the button's height and border radius have increased. Back to the settings. In this section, I can change the texts inside the Mini Waitlist. For the button text, I use Go to Waitlist. For the Total Products section, I use Total. And for the empty list content, which is displayed when there are no products in the waitlist, I use Your waitlist is empty. Then save the settings, go to the product page, and refresh it. As you can see, these 2 texts have changed. To view the third text, I need to clear the products from the Mini Waitlist. And now, the new text is displayed.